Hello, my name is José Marte Javier, and I am a student en Infotech, técnico diseño y desarrollo de aplicaciones with my teacher Jesús Cerda. I will taking about the data processing. If you know what is data processing, you need to know data. Data refers to the unprocessed element that the computer can manipulate. Data can be considered in letters, numbers, sounds, or images. When the data are introduced to the computer, it converted into numbers. The computer data are digital, which means that they have been reduced to digital or numbers. Data are organized in files inside the computer. A computer files. This is one type of the computer files. A computer file is a set of data or program instruction which has been given a name. A file contains data that the user can open, and the document may introduce many keys of data. For example, a computer document may be a text file, a group of numbers, or a fragment of a video, image, or sounds. Pro, and I continue about the programs. This is one type of the fragment of the program. A program is a set of instructions that direct a computer to execute a specific task. When a computer uses a program, it is a say that it is running or executing that program. The program tells the computer what to do, and within then the physical component of the computer cannot do anything. And I continue with the operation system process of data conversions. When when we turn on the computer, it's going through several steps before it can be used. The first step it is self-testing. The computer identifies the device connected to it, identifies the amount of memory available to the check. If the memory working properly, this process is done by a part of the system software located in the read-only memory room. Data, data representation. This is how this is how the computer represents data. Is for 0 and 1. For a computer, all the data are numbers and the letters, punctuation, marks, sounds, and images. The computer instructions are also numbers. An interrupter can only have two possible states, on the on and off, so it only has two numeric symbols. 0 represents off and 1 represents on. When the number introduces a 9 in the computer, you are ready to introduce 1001. Test code. The computer uses three basic systems. This is the image represent these three basic systems. Binary system represents 0 and 1. This is the form of the binary system. Decimal system represent number for 0 to 1 to 9. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a decimal system represent in letters from 0 to 16. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D, E, F. And, and in conclusion, You know, if you know what is data processing, I explain what is. Data processing is general the collection and manipulation of items of data to produce manifold information. In this sense, it can be considered a sage of information in a manner detectable by an observer. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.